So over here, you can see that I got some data right here, and all of these data, they use a single source right here, which is the console sales, as you can see right here. If you want to change around the source data, then what you can do is you can go around over here and then click around over here. And here you can see that now you can select out different sources. So you can also go around and click on add data and select out a different source. So I'm going to go around over here onto Google Sheets right here. And let's say what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and select out something else right here. So let's say I'm going to go around right here, and let's say I'm going to select this one right here, the rate of event responses right here. So let me just click on add, and then what happens is that I can add that to the report right here. So once I do that, what happens is that the source for this particular chart changes out right here. So you can see that you can go around, click on this right here, and you can see all of the parameters over here as well. And you can change around the metric according to how you want over here as well. So if you were to click over here, then you can go around, click on the other data source as well, and you will see the data source accordingly. And that is how you can add in data from multiple sources inside of Google Data Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.